We are here and we are strong. Let's be counted as we move on. Make a difference, change lives as we tell our different stories. We are capable, beautiful. We are born to do great things. We're unstoppable, incredible, 'cause we're differently abled, differently.
Hello and welcome to Able Differently. I'm your host, C.G. Moses. It's our hope that you had a fantastic Christmas day and you're looking forward to having a great 2021. Throughout this year, we've been sharing with you inspiring stories of persons with disabilities who would not let challenges bar them from achieving their dream. On today's episode, we'll be talking to the Able Differently team. Stay tuned.
'Cause we're differently abled, differently.
So hi lovely people, my name is Ndiolo Helen from the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation. I am a reporter in a program known as Able Differently, which runs on Sundays at 1:30 p.m. on Kenya Broadcasting Corporation, your number one channel. So the program deals with creating awareness on matters disability. And so far I can say that ever since I began working in this program, there have been challenges up and there because getting a story and compiling to a full production needs an entire crew, and at times we encounter challenges. Sincerely speaking, when the corona pandemic came in, it was a huge shock unto us because it caused quite a havoc onto our productions. Because you remember, you are supposed to deliver a story and yet your health is at risk. But for the sake of our production and for the sake of being patriotic to your work, you have to go to the field and deliver a story to the broadcast house. But then we thank God that no matter the difficulties, by keeping in mind social distances, putting on our masks and even sanitizing, that God has seen us through everything, and we are thankful that the year as it comes to an end, at least we've been able to deliver in the best way that we knew possible. But that has not been a hindrance to us delivering the stories to the world. So I just want to take this opportunity to request each and everyone to embrace the fact that disability has never been inability. Anytime you encounter a person in the disability circle, just see them as your brother or as your sister, because we are all one and we are all candidates to disability. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We have come to the end of the year 2020, a year that has been with pandemic and every sort of challenge. We thank God for this far, and we are alive, we are healthy, we are fit. Some of the challenges that we as persons with disabilities went through is when it comes, you come in terms with curfew. There were no precautions on how persons with disabilities are going to handle this situation. Keeping distance, wearing of mask, and also there were some things that were lacking in terms of subtitles on the TV on how we are going to take precautions when it's this time of COVID-19. And also our brothers and sisters who are deaf and also who have hearing impairment. It was a challenge for them to get the precautions that the Ministry of Health had set aside for us to understand more and to take care of ourselves when it comes to COVID-19. But with all this, we have come to the end of the year and we thank God. Thank you for your support. To you, our fans, we say thank you, because for us as Able Differently team to be where we are, it's because of you. We say thank you so much, and also for the team and the crew behind the scene, we also want to say thank you so much. God bless you. We hope that 2021 is going to be a great year. Looking forward for bigger and bigger stuff. Thank you so much. God bless you. And happy and prosperous 2021. Welcome back. We have heard stories of Sally and Emmanuel, and what you need to know is that they are siblings. Okay, nimesahau wengine.
Etiquette in 3, 2, 1, action.
On Disability Tip of the Day, we advise parents and caregivers of children with sickle cell to always share the information about their children, especially when they are in school or maybe sometimes where they are away from them. Discussion and as days goes by, we learn something new and try our best to make the society more friendly.
Okay. 3, 2, action.
Disability is a wide discussion. Disability is a wide topic of discussion.
3, 2, 1, action.
Disability is a wide topic of discussion, and as days go by, we learn something new.
'Cause we're differently abled, differently.
Hello, my wonderful people. I hope you're all keeping safe and sound amid these trying times, of COVID-19 situation. We're grateful to be very much alive and here. For the Able Differently team, I want to thank you all so much for the concerted effort that we've all, made during these trying times to ensure that we have successful stories, airing every other Sunday. We've never fell short of, performing our tasks. This year has been quite a riveting one. We've had to learn some new set of skills altogether to be able to adjust with the current situation the world over. I had to learn how to do the shoots because at the end of the day we needed to have a program running every other Sunday. And because of this pandemic, the COVID-19 situation, I wasn't able to go all the way to KBC, studios, because now I had to work from home. I would get a script from our director. I would go ahead and, set up my phone on a tripod and do a solo shoot. And then I would send the episode, the different clips I did, I would send them via email, and then they will be edited and then it will be ready for our consumers every other Sunday. So it's been nothing but excitement and a learning experience because come out of our comfort zone and learn new skills and be able to deliver in a different way altogether. But nonetheless, we couldn't fall short of what we were supposed to do. My hope and aspiration for Able Differently come 2021 is that we'll be able to gain more traction in terms of viewership, and we'll be able to reach out to so many other people the world over. And of course, I would really want us to probably be able to diversify in terms of the content we bring out there. So kindly, our viewers, let us know what you'd want to see on Able Differently regarding matters persons with disabilities, and we'll be able to work from there.
My name is C.G. Moses, and I've been a presenter for the Able Differently for the last 2 years now. 2020 has been a tough year, and even tougher for a lot of persons with disabilities. But with Able Differently, we were able to create awareness and make sure that all the Ministry of Health regulations and the messages due to COVID-19 were very well followed and very well articulated. I want to thank my crew, the guys I work with, like Skita and Jesse, and I just hope and pray that next year, when we come back, we do a better show than we ever did it before. God bless you, and have a blessed and a wonderful 2021.
'Cause we're differently abled, differently.
We take a short break here on Able Differently. Don't go too far.
'Cause we're differently abled, differently.
Welcome back to the Able Differently show. Now, in 2013, she came up with an idea of a show, The Abled Differently. In November 2020, we bid her goodbye. Take a look.
Hello everyone, this is Jackie Lidubwi, the founding producer of Able Differently show. Able Differently we started in 2013, and our main aim was just to highlight the persons with disabilities, their achievements, their challenges, and their role in the society. Because so many research say that persons with disabilities are not portrayed well in the media, and when you see their stories in the media, then they are pity stories or they are stories of heroism. So Able Differently was just a program to try and highlight persons with disabilities as caregivers, as breadwinners, as members of the society who are an integral members of the society. So in the program we started by having for the first time presenters with disabilities on air, featuring stories of persons with disability achieving their challenges and everything. And I think we have really tried to change the narrative of persons with disabilities in the media. For us as a team, we didn't even know sign language, and then when you are going to do interviews of persons who have hearing impairment or the deaf, how do you do that story if you cannot communicate in sign language? So it has been a journey for us, and in the journey we've tried to have sign language classes, the team, so we have some few languages here and there. There was also a challenge of how do we tell these stories, which terminologies do we use, which stories do we want to tell, do we want to tell those pity party stories, or do we want to say of achievement, or we want to have balanced stories. So it has been a journey, but it has been a great journey because it has just been a journey of learning on how to report and improve on disability mainstreaming. The success stories, we've won awards, several awards, the Kuza Awards, Kemepa Awards, Kalasha will be nominated this year. Our presenter Jane Deuri has been nominated in the best presenters. So it's been great, and for me personally, I've grown in the level of maybe academic presentation and publication of papers on media and disability. It has taken me actually to another level in advocacy on disability matters in the media, to national level, to international level, to global level. So I'm so grateful to be part of Able team, to be part of the founding, to be the founding producer for the work we've done, and I know we are going to do much more.
Hello, Jackie. I hope you're faring well in your new endeavor. Well, it is with great sadness that we had to say goodbye to you as our super able producer of Able Differently. I really appreciate the many years we spent together doing what we do best, advocating for, the rights of persons with disability, and actually trying to give them more viewership, because we know persons with disability are not just there to be seen, but they're also there to be heard. Through Able Differently, the platform you created for us, you made it possible to reach out to all Kenyans out there in the world at large, and we've gained traction over the years. I want to thank you so much for thinking about us, for having our interest at heart, that you saw it best to have this wonderful platform where matters persons with disability will be given much attention that it deserves. I remember the first time we met was in St. Paul's University, and I was really thrilled when you approached me and told me about this wonderful idea you had about Able Differently, and you thought of me. You wanted me to work with you, and I became one of your program hosts. I'm truly grateful for where I am right now, because through the program I've grown in so many ways, and we've grown together as the disability fraternity, because now people really appreciate us for what we do, because we all have our success stories through the challenges, and all the challenges we go through are what really make us to be what we are and where we are right now. My parting shot to you, Jackie, is just that I wish you well in your new endeavor. May you grow from strength to strength, and may you shine wherever you go. We will miss you truly so much, and I am very certain that our path will cross again. Much love to you, Jackie. All the best. God bless.
Life is a journey, and a journey that has got so many ups and downs. KBC brought us together. It is time to say goodbye. Goodbye for greener pastures. We pray that even as you go wherever it is you're going, that God goes before you, that you'll continue to shine, and that even the name of KBC will shine where you're going, because they will see your work. We want to thank you for your time, for your friendship, for your work, your professionalism, and for everything. And personally, we've been together for so many years, yes.
Yeah, me, I think the first time nikimit madam, hadi siku hizi namuita madam, nikimita Jackie na kama na disrespect, ilikuwa shule. Way back in 2018, nikiwa, I think, in my third year. So from then amekuwa my lecturer mpaka nimefika KBC. So namshukuru sana, and I just want to wish all the best in all your endeavors, and God bless.
Jackie, I lack words, and you know. Well, when I heard that Jackie's leaving, I panicked. I remember running to one of the senior manager's office and telling them, "Why is dead?" Oh, what I say? I said, "Yes, Y254 is dead." What do you mean? Jackie's leaving. Tell me, relax. Yes, we know Jackie was a visionary leader. She had a clear dream for Y254. Jackie, we're going to ensure that we realize this dream. You're leaving very big shoes, sir. And may the Lord walk with the person who's coming into these shoes and make this brand a better brand. May your vision, may your dream prosper. And we wish you the very best. I'm not just speaking this as Jackie, I'm speaking this as your colleague, as a friend. We've had our ups and downs with a common objective to ensure that the brand grows. And I'm glad the brand is actually vibrant.
I'm starting a new journey, and the journey is related to training journalists on how to report on stories of disability, something that I'm very passionate about. So I'm just happy the work I started at KBC, I'm going to do it somewhere else on a higher level. Like I'll be in charge of training journalists in Sub-Saharan Africa. So that is a very big thing for me, and I think the seed of and the passion and the will of doing that started here at Able Differently. So I just wish the Able Differently team all the best. Our viewers, our esteemed viewers of Able Differently, of KBC Channel 1, I wish you all the best, and I know the journey of empowering and mainstreaming persons with disability in Kenya has just started, and you guys, you are going to do great, and we are going to have a very inclusive society because of the work we are doing. Thank you so much.
Article 6 of the UN Convention states that state parties recognize that women and girls with disabilities are subject to multiple discrimination, and in this regard shall take measures to ensure the full and equal enjoyment by them of all human rights and fundamental freedoms.
'Cause we're differently abled, differently.
We've come to the end of today's show, and we hope to bring you more episodes come 2021. Thank you for always keeping it KBC and the Able Differently show. Have a wonderful 2021. I've been your host, C.G. Moses. Bye-bye.